Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your Discord account. So to get started, make sure you have installed or you have the Discord application on your device. Once it's done, open up Discord app and you will see this type of interface on your screen. And at the button below you can see the user setting option. Click on it and here you will see the setting menu. Scroll down and search for account. Click on the account option. Now scroll down and you will see two options. One is disable account and another one is delete account. So in order to delete our Discord account, click on the delete account option, and if you want to disable your account temporarily, you can click on the disable account.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.